Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So tonight I have this canvas which is 10 inch by 20 inch in dimension, and it's a rectangle, and I'm going to report on this one. As you can see, I did something on top of each this one which I was not very happy about, of course, so I'm going to reuse it. So here we go. So what I'm thinking, I'm going to do a diagonal split base between black and white. So let's try that. This is my color place from Walmart, black interior. And the white I'm using today is Gidden Essential. I was working with my PPGs, which worked really well for me, but lately I see that my lacing is getting kind of deformed, and I am guessing that that's because of my white base. So I changed my base, and we'll see today how it turns out. So in a way, this is an experiment, and I hope it works out. Lately, whenever I am doing a pour, I'm heartbroken because of the lacing is getting destroyed, or not destroyed, it's kind of crooked in some places. So you know what the feeling is like. You work really hard for something and it doesn't work out. So hopefully tonight it will work. So let me remove everything from the sides. Okay, so I'm just going to go and use my hand to make sure the sides are nicely covered. And when I spin, they will come again, they will drip on the sides, so it will be nice and neat. For now, I'm just doing the preliminary work. Now let's go to the black side. Okay, so my base coat is nice. I'm going to spin a little. Oops, I have a lot of extra paint which is dripping. Yeah, I think it will be a good idea to make sure that some of the paints are gone, because I don't want my design to like literally go everywhere. Okay, let's do this I have a bubble. So I'm going to do 2 flowers. This is my Golden's Nickel Aho Yellow. You all know by now that Nickel Aho Gold is getting discontinued. So I'm trying to remove myself from depending on that one too much. So I'm doing one of those, and this one is of course my Nickel Aho Gold. This is green gold from Golden. Quinachrome Crimson. Quinachrome Burned Orange. This is Phthalo Blue, again from Golden. Toffee from what is it? TLP. Lagoon. Dash of Gold. Please pray for me. Hopefully this time I will get perfect cells. Black Cell Activator. And then I'm going to blow it with my hair dryer, and it's going to be medium cool setting. Many of you know that I took 3-4 months break from pouring, acrylic pouring. So after I came back, I was struggling with cells and everything. So I did this piece when I started painting again, and I thought later on that I should share my experience with you, because I'm sure many of you would be in my shoe after coming back from a break. So I wanted to share it with you. Hopefully I help some of you. I don't like the perfect flowers, so let's see what I can do. Let's see, let me spin and see what happens. Let's see. I have too much paint in the center, so I'm tilting, and also I feel like if we can spread or move some of the blue on the black side, the composition would look nicer. So that's what I'm trying to do now. I am loving the yellows and the reds and the quintagon aho gold, how they are blending amongst themselves. So that part I'm really happy about. And also you can see that on the white I don't have just a circular flower. Rather than that, I have some tentacle of the flowers, which is really nice. I am really enjoying the composition. Now you can see by using a tool, I'm trying to stretch some of the cells and to see how it, if I could open up some of the cells. So that's what I'm trying to do. By the way, you can buy those tools from Fluid Art Company. As you can see, that's what I'm doing, and it also gives a tiny bit of, what should I say, interest, probably the word should I pick, on the composition. So far the cells are holding up, so yeah, for me. And also as far as composition goes, it kind of looked nice, don't you think so? And I was at the beginning thinking of doing some modification, but looking at the composition, I have changed my mind. You know how it goes with fluid art, you never know what's going to happen. So here we are. What do you think? You have to tell me in the comment section, like if you like it or not. So until next time, thank you so much for joining me today. Bye.